bet you guys got excited. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Kevin. Please give this video a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to my channel. Click the button below. I'll be making videos, lots of it, for you every week. In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace the shower head with one of these shower wands. With one of these, how am I supposed to wash my ass? It's kind of useless. But with this, I'll be able to do anything. Okay, let's do this. The only two things you'll need is a pair of pliers and plumber's tape, also called Teflon tape. Now the next part, you want to put Teflon tape on the male ends where you can see all the threads. When you put this on, remember to go in clockwise, having the pipe end facing you towards you, and put the tape clockwise. You can go counterclockwise, but I do not recommend it. You can 2 times around should be more than enough. You can go 3 times if you like. You could put the tape on counterclockwise, but I don't recommend it. Once you put on touch the outer piece, it can lift up the tape and won't go on as nicely. Now shape the tape into position. When you touch the other end, you spin it clockwise. So by putting the tape clockwise, it goes in the direction with the flow. If you put the tape counterclockwise, you're going against the direction. So sometimes the tape will come off, or when you touch the other end, it might not go on as smooth. So if you do it clockwise, go with the flow. It flows much better. Now I'm going to take off the head and do the same thing to this one. Now let's attach the hose to the head. Make sure you don't get mixed up between the 2 ends. This is the end that sits in the holder. This one won't sit in nicely in the holder, so it has to be this one. I want it to be a little extra tight. I'm just gonna wrap this right here. I don't want to put my pliers onto the thing itself. I want to protect it from scratching it. Okay, that's good enough. That should be tight enough. Now I can attach this end to the other part. I'll have to attach this piece on first before I attach the hose. That should be tight enough. I shouldn't need my pliers, I don't think. By the way, I got this Shanwan holder from IKEA. It's really cheap. Maybe $1 or $2. Can't remember. But it's really cheap. I want to make this a little tighter. Okay. There, voila. Doesn't that look nice? This is a much better setup. The thing you want to do is turn on the water and check for leaks. So far so good, it passed the leak test. If it does leak in this or here or in here, in these areas, apply more plumber's tape, then that should solve the problem. Thank you all for watching this video. Now you guys should have the confidence to install one of these. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you until next time. Peace out.